students, this is the class of economics, class 10, chapter number 3, money and credit. This one the second part. If you are not see the first part, so please see the first part first. After that, continue this video. Okay. Firstly, if you are not subscribed the channel of Saint Xavier, so please subscribe it now. Otherwise, you are not getting the notifications of rest of the subjects. So we will start this one topic with the metallic money. Metallic money, it is introduced after the time of barter system. It is introduced after the barter system in the some means metal, means with the help of gold, silvers. In place of commodity exchange, we introduce the medium of exchange with the metallic money. So metallic money, it is a totally based on the metals like silvers coins, gold coins, that type of things. So it is very easy to store and it is not damaged easily. Conveniently, we have to carry from one place to another, dividable in small parts also. Okay, so in this sense we understand the metallic money. Way to modern coin, it will introduce the modern coin, started adding symbols, some express values. It gives the standard measures of values. Like before years ago, there is a coins of gold. So gold having a more money means more values, and silver coins having a little less values. Like that way we introduce the coins of different images. So different images having different values at that time. So the way of modern coins, see here, standard weight and the size and the color also depends. Okay, next one is next nowadays means previously some years ago, like old precious metals like replaced by the less costly metals. क्योंकि gold coins, there is a reason ना, gold coins or silver coins having more values, so we have to replace their metals in the less costly metals. Okay, you see these coins in our life, so we have seen these coins. Next, money. Money is a medium of exchange. I have told you we have to store values, measure values, standard of different payments also. Money can be anything. मनी से हम मनी क्रिएट अ परचेजिंग पावर, मेनली मनी क्रिएट अ परचेजिंग पावर. सम पॉइंट्स आर गिवन हियर. सी हैज़ अ परचेजिंग पावर, मनी के पास परचेजिंग पावर है. मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज, यूज एज अ मेजर्ड वैल्यू, यूज एज अ ट्रांसफरेबल वैल्यू फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर प्लेस और अदर पर्सन, यूज एज स्टोर्ड वैल्यू फॉर द फ्यूचर यूज. स्टैंडर्ड डिफर्ड पेमेंट मीन्स these are the things where money can be do anything. Functions of money is firstly medium of exchange. It is a medium, ये हमारे चीज़ों को खरीदने और उसका एक्सचेंज करने का एक प्रोसीजर बन गया था, एक प्रोसीजर बन गया है. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टोरिंग वैल्यूज़. इसको हम स्टोर भी कर सकते हैं. देयर इज़ नो नीड ऑफ large scale means place where we storing these things. You know very well, we have to store in a cupboard also, we have to store in a purse also. Next one is measure value. We have to measure things, means when we wanted to purchase a car, so there is a cost, so that much of money we have to pay for that one commodity. Next one is transfer value. It will transfer, like money transfer in the bank account. You have seen, you have submitted 500 rupees in a account and in your account shown 500 rupees. So the transfer values means हम इसको easily इधर उधर transfer भी कर सकते हैं. Functions of money. Functions of money में fifth one is standard of deferred payment. हम उसको deferred payment means as a loan भी use कर सकते हैं, जो हम बाद में pay कर सकें. Next one is money in India. In India तो introduce in a coins and a paper note. So paper note is a currency note. Okay, so here also we have seen coin and the paper currency papers, and the accepted a medium of exchange in India. India in all of the country we have to use as a medium of exchange. In rupee in India, so in dollar in America. Okay, so Reserve Bank of India, you know very well, it is a head of the bank, means for example like a father of the bank. Okay, it introduced the many types of notes like 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10, 50, 100, 200, 500, 2000, 1000 is missing here. Okay, but 1 rupees note also, like a means 1 rupee note also issued, but it is issued by the Ministry of Finance. Okay, all thing issued by the Ministry of Finance, which is totally based on the RBI, means permission want by the RBI. Other names of modern money also given here: token money also, symbolic money also. Like currency notes and the coins have no values, like very less instructive values, respective in the higher values. Means अगर हम टोकन मनी की बात करें तो हमको जो टोकन मिलता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सो एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वी हैव टू पे द मनी एट द प्लेस ऑफ एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द टोकन हियर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज हाई पावर्ड मनी. हाई पावर्ड मनी कॉल्ड द, जिसकी पावर ज़्यादा हो, जिसको हम एक्चुअल वैल्यूज़ में हायर काउंट कर पाएँ. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ लीगल टेंडर मनी. लीगल टेंडर मनी हमारे इंडिया में इंट्रोड्यूस होता है, लाइक रुपी नोट और कॉइन को ही कहते हैं, बट जिनकी लीगल वैल्यूज़ हो, उनको लीगली कोई रिफ्यूज़ ना कर पाए. मीन्स RBI इंट्रोड्यूस अ 5000 currency, means currency note. So if RBI introduce, so we are not refuse that one. Okay, next one we will discuss in the third video. So see the third part of this chapter. Thank you.